Hello my fellow Aldi addict, it's Jackie, and today is actually Saturday. You'll be seeing this on Sunday, but I'm doing my grocery shopping one day early because Sunday is actually my daughter's 12th birthday. So happy birthday to Mila. But I totally forgot when I was grocery shopping last week that I needed to get stuff to make desserts for her birthday. So this week I'm getting stuff to make coconut cream pie and apple pie. I'm making them today on Saturday for her birthday on Sunday. And then she also wants to take cake pops to school on Monday. So Mama needs to bake, which means I need to get in and get supplies and also all of our food for the week. So let's go. We are having an Asian dish that we don't have protein for this week, so I'm getting cashews to put on top for our chow mein. 11. I'm getting another thing of freeze-dried strawberries this week for lunches, $2.45. We have some from last week still. We're having walking tacos this week. My daughter's request, $2.45 for the cheese dip. And I just gotta find the Fritos. So we buy the Clancy's corn chips, $1.17. $1.99 for pita wraps for my girls' lunches. I'm getting, $1 off, yay! Italian bread for vegetable soup this week. That was my vegetarian's request, $2.89. And just to follow up, we loved the panini bread last week. It's definitely worth it. 85 cents for white bread, peanut butter sandwiches for one of my daughter's lunches, and toast. Okay, so these strawberries look better than last week's. I am actually going to get 2 pounds for lunches. Just got to find the perfect ones. These look pretty good. $2.20. Green beans for a side with one of our meals, $1.65. I'm getting this coleslaw mix for the chow mein. You can also cut up a cabbage head, $1.29. And then $2.49 for mini cucumbers. You guys know my kids love these in their lunches. $3.49 for Granny Smith apples for the apple pie. Okay, $2.69 for a gallon of white milk. And then $1.57 for a half gallon of whole milk. I need this for the coconut cream pie. They are out of heavy cream, which I needed to make whipped cream for the coconut cream pie. But I will get the coconut whipped topping and use that on the pie instead, $3.19. I also need just regular whipped cream. We keep this for ice cream and hot chocolates, $2.89. My kids all requested that I get a gallon of OJ, $3.29. My vegetarian requested vegetable soup, so I'm getting diced tomatoes at 91 cents and 31 cents for tomato sauce. And then I'm also getting a can of corn to put in there for 43 cents. My Aldi actually has some more juice fruit cups, $1.69. I'm going to get these diced peaches. And that's the only one they have of peaches, so I'll get one. But my kids really did love this, so we're getting it again for a meal, 98 cents. $3.39 for peanut butter. We use this stuff all the time. Black olives for walking tacos. My kids love these, $1.19. 75 cents for Summit Cola. My daughter wants to have a 2-liter on her birthday to share with her friend, so we're letting her, compared to $1.96. Elsie requested me to get Grape Juice, $2.24. I'm so used to this aisle being chucked full because I come Sundays, but it's definitely been picked over the week. Nothing new to report that I see. Oh, I don't know if we had these last week, the scarves, but they have them in now, the infinity scarves. Lots of the pajamas are still in. I saw some people post about a runner. I haven't seen that at my Aldi, and I would be interested in that. These are cute. Mini candles. Okay, wait. These are so cute. I love miniature stuff. Mini games, they're $2.99. How cute. We have a lot of them too. Guess who? Adorable. We are out of paprika in my refill spices, so $1.49, and I use this a lot. I need 2 boxes of cake mix, 89 cents a piece. This is for the cake pops for my daughter to take to school. I need candy coating. They don't have the normal box. That's too bad, the bricks. So I'm gonna get probably 2 of these. And then a can of vanilla frosting, $1.19. I wanted to get unsweetened coconut, but they only have sweetened coconut here, which is what I already have on hand. So I'm not getting coconut for my coconut cream pie. I'm getting angel hair pasta for my chow mein. You can use an Asian noodle, but I'm just getting this for ease, $1.59. We are running low on flour, and I know I'll be taking more as I make my coconut cream pie crust homemade. I am buying the store-bought for the apple pie, though. Pie crusts are marked down, yay, so I'm actually going to get 2 boxes. Rather have too many than not enough, $1.29 each. Lots of Valentine stuff out, the animals, cutouts. They have non-dippers, egg life wraps. Soft pretzels, $2.39. We have the cheese sauce for walking tacos, so this will be a good snack with that. Yummy. They also have Taquitos Meatballs. I love buying the 2 pounds of shredded cheddar. We always go through it. $5.19. Okay, this wasn't on my list, but these mini pancakes my kids will love. $2.77 for a little over a pound. I am buying 7 of my favorite waters. They have a bunch of them. They're 57 cents a piece. On the original sparkling water. Love them. My vegetarian requested vegetable soup again, so I'm getting the California medley, 99 cents, and 79 cents for this season's choice. Add them both into the soup, super easy. We have the Chick-Fil-A sauces. Yum. You guys, I was dreaming of this the other day, wondering it was going to come back. It's like Aldi read my mind. I always feel like they read my mind. It's $1.98, but I'm getting 4 bags because it's my favorite and I love it. And I'm very excited. Okay, so a lot of my stuff is coming from my pantry and freezer again this week. Any guesses on my total? Okay, my total was $102 and change. Now let's load this up, get home, and look at the meal plan. Okay, the meal plan for the week. We're going to have leftovers eventually in the week. We will have ravioli, bacon, breadsticks, homemade mashed potatoes, homemade chicken nuggets. Both of these are actually from last week's meal plan. I meal plan Monday through Sunday. So my Saturday and Sunday meals from last week, I forgot our birthday dinners. We're going out to eat for my daughter's birthday. She chose to go to Red Robin tomorrow night. And then my in-laws are having a birthday dinner for her. I just forgot those when I planned last week, so I had to move 2 of our meals to this week's meal plan. I have chicken in my freezer and gnocchi in the freezer. I'm going to make homemade Alfredo sauce and green beans. We are having chow mein, which is celery, cabbage, noodles, some Asian sauce. Super simple, really yummy dinner, and then we top it with cashews and sesame seeds. One of my daughters requested walking tacos, so we're going to have that this week. It's basically Fritos, lettuce, and then beef. I had almost everything on hand or in the freezer for that, except for the Fritos, except for the corn chips. And then also my daughter requested veggie soup. She's vegetarian. She really loves veggie soup. I'm going to probably make this early in the week because then when we have like the chicken dinner or chicken nuggets, she has leftovers to eat. And then we have Italian bread. Also, I want to share with you guys, since I did shop the day before this comes out, I have started the pies. This is homemade crust with coconut cream filling. I still have to put the whipped topping on top. I did toast my sweetened coconut. I used a homemade crust for the base of my apple pie. Apple pie using the Granny Smith apples is in here. I will link the recipes I'm using for these. And then I used the store-bought crust. This just came out of the oven. It's still really hot, to decorate the lattice top and make the cookie cutter shapes and make it cute for my daughter. So this was her birthday request for her. Instead of a birthday cake, she wanted a pie, and I'm making these 2 types. I'm also going to start on the cake pops, and if you're interested in seeing how I make cake pops, you can actually check out this video right here. My kids love these. I love sending them to school, and it's a super easy, delicious treat for them to take. Thank you so much for watching. Chow down a chow.